Today we're turning 24 karat gold into 18 karat gold so I can cast it. This is the 24 karat gold. Now we have to add alloy. We start by measuring out 10 grams of pure gold. Let's weigh it out. Alright, that's good. It's 10.04. So that's 4/100ths of a gram more, which it's always better to be a tiny bit higher. The next thing is to get this alloy. Now believe it or not, 18 karat rich yellow. But watch this. It looks white. Compared to 24 karat gold, it looks white. But now do the math. Scales back on 0. And then we're going to measure out 3.33 grams. Boom! It's supposed to be 3.33, but if it's a tiny bit less, then it will also be a tiny bit more pure. So when I pour the 24 karat on there, we should have about 13.3 grams. 13.35, and remember that 5 was the extra 5 in the 24 karat gold, so that is absolutely perfect. So when we melt these two metals together, we will now have 18 karat gold.